Hi, I'm David Smith, Managing Director of Specac Ltd. After 25 years in our previous building, we've moved 1 kilometre down the road to our brand new purpose-built facility, 33,000 square feet. Please come in, have a look around, meet some of our staff. It's a great new place to work. Thank you.
My name's Rob. I work in planning and purchasing here at Specac. My day-to-day duties and responsibilities are looking after the customer order book for new and existing customers. We then plan what needs to be arranged and strategically bought. I think it's really what we needed, really good layout, really up to date, which was what was required, being a growing company. And I think it was the right time as well, and it's done us the world of good. Yeah, really positive thing to do, really positive move.
I'm Hayley. I work in the accounts department at Specac. I deal with all the management accounting side of things. So I'm the main treasurer, and when I walked into the office, I instantly felt proud to work at Specac. It's a great new place to work. It's very large, so we've got plenty of room to grow into as the business grows. Overall, it's a fantastic location. Proud to be a part of it.
Hi, I'm Sam. I've worked at Specac for 5 years. I work within the assembly department, making anything from pellet dies to high temperature, high pressure systems. So we had our ups and downs during the move, but now I think we're in a lot better position than we were at the old building. This layout suits us down to a T. We had quite a bit of input during the design.
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm the application scientist at Specac, and this is the Newton Demo Lab. Our new Demo Lab facilities gives us the ability to develop new products, to enhance our applications, and to help our customers with their sample testing. I'm currently working on a number of new applications for our products. So on our Quest, we're looking at monitoring the setting of epoxy glues over time. And with our Pearl, I'm looking at pharmaceutical compositions, looking at different concentrations of pure products, and then we're going to use that to test out some drugs that are available on the market to see if their composition matches the reality. I'm also working on a range of new products. So we've got heating jacket for our Atmos gas cell that is very close to launch. We're working on a liquid puck that is also basically at the launch point, and I am developing a heating puck with engineering, which we're testing in our demo lab to ensure that it will work with our existing products. So we've got a number of spectrometers in here from all of our key manufacturers. We've got fume cupboard facilities. We've got all of our products available for testing and showing off to customers whenever they come for visits. And we'll also be able to make some cool movies to show how to use our products.
My name's Michael Ramsey. I'm project manager here at Specac. What I do is I work with our engineering team to develop new products to help our customers solve the problems and issues they have in sample preparation, in FTIR analysis, and various other applications. We're working currently to build and develop our Atmos gas cell, which is coming to launch very soon, and that's going to allow people to heat their gas samples up to 200 degrees Celsius, which is going to give a real advantage to people needing gas analysis. In order to do that, we've utilised our new facility here. We've got a dedicated R&D room and laboratory facility there. And that's been absolutely brilliant to allow us to have the space required and the technology and equipment all in one place, making it very time efficient and absolutely a brilliant facility overall.
Hello, my name is Ian Chin and I work in the Quest department. As you can probably see around here, we're a very, very busy section. We produce, or should I say manufacture or make, ATR equipment, which is ITX units, ID7s, Quest. also the Everest. The new facility at first, it was quite daunting because after spending 8 years in the old Specac building, you know, getting used to the surroundings, coming to a new building, a new structure, it's really settling in really. And I think we're getting there. We're getting organised.
I'm Charlotte. I'm the customer services team leader here at Specac, and I ensure that all the customers' queries and orders get done, get sorted and get out on time. We've moved into our new office, and what a fabulous place to work.
Hello, my name's Jash Bazwa and I'm a sales account manager at Specac. This new building I find is amazing. I love the open plan, up and downstairs offices. The meeting rooms are amazing, and I'm really looking forward to the coming years to be working here.